Are you feeling tortured in your candle making journey? You are not alone. Here are the 5 biggest ways candle makers accidentally torture themselves, and how to stop. Let's dive in. Hi, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to master sublimation and engraving for candles that stand out and sell. Let's get started. Number 1 is using soy wax as a beginner or using soy wax at all. I know, controversial, but soy wax can be a total time suck to get right. Bumpy tops, wet spots, frosting, sinkholes. Soy is famous for fighting you at every stage, even when you do everything right. Here's what beginners never hear. There are cleaner burning, smoother, more beginner-friendly waxes that won't sabotage your candles. If you want predictability and prettier results, switch to coconut apricot, coconut soy blends, and parasoy blends. They're smoother, easier, and far more forgiving, no torture required. Number 2 on our torture list. Want instant pain? Skip wick research. Are you just guessing at wick brands and wick sizes? There are 7 major wick types and brands, and not all of them work with your wax. Some waxes pair with 4 wick brands, some only work with 1. Guessing leads straight to soot, tunneling, mushrooming, and frustration. Here's the shortcut. Tell ChatGPT your wax type and manufacturer, your vessel's inner diameter and height, your fragrance oil and supplier, and your wick brand. ChatGPT will give you a full wick guide with smart test sizes across multiple brands, so you're not wasting weeks guessing in the dark. Name this your wick tracker. Once you get a fragrance combo that passes, ChatGPT will save that info for you. Over time, you will have a catalog of tested recipes that work. I have an entire video on how to make a wick tracker in ChatGPT. It will save you time so you don't feel tortured in the testing phase. If you haven't done your research or used AI to help you dial in, you have probably wasted a lot of time and money with the wrong wicks and testing the wrong sizes. Number 3 on our list is buying supplies before doing any real research. If you're doing this, prepare for maximum torture. There are endless options out there for wax, wicks, vessels, and fragrance, and without understanding the basics, you're buying blind. Before you buy a single thing, you should know your wax's cure time, common problems for that wax type, which wick brands actually pair well with it, what sinkholes and tunneling are, why people struggle with hot throw, what you should only buy from candle suppliers, what you can buy from Amazon, and what you should never buy there. What is safe and unsafe to put in a candle? Why you need insurance before selling anything. Skipping this step guarantees wasted money, wasted time, and mountains of unusable supplies. Number 4 in our candle torture list is selling your candles before you're ready. Nothing is more painful than selling too soon. It's exciting to launch, but launching before you're prepared leads to burn problems, refunds, bad reviews, and total overwhelm. Before you sell, you should answer yes to all of these. Has your wax wick fragrance combinations been fully tested? Do your candles burn beautifully from start to finish? Do you have a design style that stands out and feels like you? Have you developed your niche? Are you selling to your dream customer? Do you know who your dream customer is? This is important to spend the time defining so you can design and target who you want to sell to. Selling to everyone doesn't work. Research how to choose a niche. Are you tracking cost of goods and profit margins? Do you have an inventory system? Do you have insurance? Are your candles priced correctly for your market? Selling too soon doesn't just hurt your wallet, it hurts your brand. And our 5th way you can torture yourself making candles is ignore candle safety standards. Want the quickest path to stress, risk, and disaster? Ignore candle safety. Labels, testing, and standards are not optional. They're what make you a professional. Before you ever sell, you should know which materials are safe inside a candle, which vessels are heat safe, which decorative elements are dangerous. Notice the warnings regarding dried flowers, botanicals, and water. If you are in a candle group, you see beginners make this mistake every day. The required warning label information, how to test melt pool, flame height, and container temperature, the basics of ASTM burn testing, why insurance requires safety-compliant testing, Ignoring safety doesn't just risk a bad review, it risks homes, property, and your entire business. Avoid all of these and you are off to a great start. There are so many ways to save time and money by doing things the right way, the best way. If you are looking for ways to create candles that stand out and sell, I teach candle makers how to master sublimation and engraving. These tools will transform your candle business. My book is available at cost until they sell out.